from Lab. Today I'm going to be working on the rear anti-roll bar. The front anti-roll bar is basically just bolted straight on, and that is a larger diameter anti-roll bar. I think it's 22mm anti-roll bar I've got in the front, which just bolts straight up. I didn't have a rear anti-roll bar for it. I'm not sure why. I think possibly the original one was actually completely rotted through or something. So Phil from Piper Exhaust sent me a link to a video that he made about fitting a front anti-roll bar to the rear of your MX-5. So I'll put a link to that video in the description if you're interested in that, but the way he does it is to just cut this off, grinds the ends flat, drills a hole in it, and just bolts it on. But because I like to make my life difficult, I'm going to do something else with it. I'm going to make like some little sort of end pieces on the plasma table with a row of holes in, and I'm going to mill this down flat, drill some holes and tap it, and actually bolt those pieces to this piece, because you don't want to weld to this, because this is like spring steel. It's basically like a spring. So the way that they get the properties into this is part of it is from using heat treatment. So if you put a load of heat back into it, you can change the properties of it and end up with something that might just bend and not bend back. And you might ruin the sort of ruin the springiness of it. So I've basically sat that in where it needs to sit on the back of the car, mark the length I want, which would be like the center point, and then I'll have a hole in front and a hole behind that, so I have adjustment of, you know, how stiff it is. The first thing is to just clean all these bits up because they're all rusty. So I've cut that bit that was curved. Basically, I ran out of travel on the milling machine, and the only way I could have gone any further was to take the vise off and just clamp it directly to the bed. But I only need enough flat to get 2 bolts in here, and then I'm going to mill a slot out of the like blade type piece that's going to sit on here, so it'll have a slot out of it with 2 bolts and 3 holes, and you know, that should be more than strong enough. Alright, this is going to be our blade thing. Got some awesome new shades. Great for watching the plasma table, but when I wear them out on the town, I keep walking into lampposts. Just need to round these corners off, and that will be a perfect fit. If you're wondering why I didn't do that in the mill, there just wasn't any easy way of fixturing it. The correct torque setting for homemade anti-roll bars is 3 ugga-duggers on a half-charged battery. Oh, that might have been 5. Does she fit? There she is. Worked a treat. I'm on the set on the middle hole, so I can go to harder or softer setting. I haven't bolted it all up because obviously I need to take it off and paint it. Thanks again, Phil, for the idea of doing this. And if you do want to do this a much simpler way, I'll put a link to his channel in the description, and you can see, how he does it. It's going to be it for this one. Just watching. See you on the next one.